Morning guys. Today we will start to work on this garage. We will try to resurface them piece by piece, yung mga squares niyan, and hopefully in a couple of days, it doesn't matter if it will take us 10 days, we will make it to the end. So we bought a couple of tools, pati itong vacuum na to, we bought this vacuum too. Yan, we're using this mortar mix and this cement here. This one is have a finer finish than this mortar mix. Okay, all of this cost us less than $300. We need to remove all this loose cement. Oh my God. Then later on, babacuumin natin to. Dapat tanggalin ko yung mga ano na yan, pero I don't know if I can still remove this. Oh my God. This is really, baka hindi kaya ng ano. Let me perhaps work on this first. Maybe I need to remove this too. Matibay naman. Let's try to vacuum it. So now what we do now is we will wash the surface. Now to make sure that it's clean. Sabi, we have only few minutes at matutuyo ito. Kaya kailangan paspasan natin. Oh my God. Bakit? No?
Isang stroke lang dapat kasi.
Kailan yung mga sakay ba? Ito natapos namin ngayon. Siguro yung iba bukas na. Medyo rough. Siguro rarab ko na lang ng rubbing stone para medyo kuminis. Pero parang primer lang yan. Then the last coating siguro gagawin namin pagka natapos na namin lahat ito. Pero kailangan namin patuyuin muna ito so we can garahe the car. At least yung isang car. Okay? Yes. Tuloy natin bukas. Good morning, friends. This is our second day of resurfacing job on our garage. This one I chip off those old cements that are not good. And maybe we could work out a couple of square feet of this. One today, 2, 3, and maybe get this done today, which we left over yesterday. We can't open this door right now because though it's already May 17 right now, 10 a.m. Still the temperature is 48 degrees. The high for today is 51 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's so cold. I will just open this when I really need to. Oh yeah. Okay. Wala pang tubig. Washing the garage floor, we'll rid it with small cement particles, dust, and oil spills from the car. And make the cement bind stronger. Good.
Wawalisin mo siguro pag yung ano na, yung medyo dry konti.
No, hindi. Palaman mo. I'm going to start painting now, friends. And I need it to be straight, so I do the string here. This one. So I could cover the floor I am going to paint. Well, I guess that's not very bad for me. Just saving labor costs. I'm happy with that. Of course, I did also on the other side by the wall, so I could have the straight line. Notice that we already covered most of the cracks and holes. Okay, I'm ready now. Make sure you use concrete and garage paint, okay? Let me pour some here. Okay, the next is here again.
Wow. Why did you not start at the bottom, at the top? Pareho lang?
No, it's because of the rain.
Okay. Pwede na ako dito tulong, magaganda na ako.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the remaining portion. Success!
You good?
I guess.
Gala more sobra?
Konti. I think we need to buy one more paint.
Why? For the other side.
Yeah. I'll continue this maybe tomorrow, let it dry, and we will work on this portion. All this mess here, mga anik-anik, we will move it to the other side tomorrow. See you later, guys.